Hi, I'm Jennifer from EcoWool. In this video, I'm going to show you how to layer EcoWool pellets and potting soil for your potted plants. So what I have here is I have 8 cups of potting soil. You can use any potting soil you like, whatever it is your preference is. And I have 1 cup of pellets. So first of all, I'm going to start by placing some potting soil in the bottom of the pot. Make sure it's there aren't any big lumps. Just a thin layer. So I had kind of a 1 big handful or 2 little handfuls. And then I'm going to take some wool pellets and just sprinkle them around. Kind of loosely filling and covering the soil, but you don't want too much. And now I'm going to put more potting soil over top of those pellets. So now I've got 3 or so handfuls, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. Now these pellets are dry, and it's okay that you see some of them are they look a little bit powdery. That's okay. Just want to give an even distribution. And now we're going to continue on, and we're going to do this up until the top of the pot. So by layering the pellets, what this does is it helps distribute the water evenly down the pot without it pooling in one area. And now we're going to cover up all the pellets. And you are ready to plant.